有問題
早晨
再見，好啊，
多謝
係
你
唔得，
介一早發俾多次啦。
Hi everyone and welcome to Cantonese in 1 minute. In this episode, we're going to see two words which are 好似 and 咁樣. I repeat them again. 好似咁樣，好似咁樣. Let's write it down. 好似 to seem, to look like. 咁樣 like that. 好似咁樣，好似咁樣 to look like that. 好似咁樣. Now you can use this word in two different situations. The first one is quite complicated but very interesting. For example, you want to describe something that you forgot how to say. A color, a dish, a shape, anything. You can say 好似咁樣. You found it, point at it. The person will guess it for you. 好似咁樣. Now the second thing and more common is to compare two things that are similar. For example, you look like your mother. 你好似你媽媽. You look like your father. 你好似你爸爸. You can also say 你好似你媽媽咁樣. 你好似你爸爸咁樣，好似咁樣。Let's do that in the clip. 好似咁樣，佢好似我咁樣，你好似我咁樣，係你好似我咁樣，你好似我咁樣，唔係我好似你咁樣，係你好似我咁樣，好似咁樣。That's the end for now. So don't forget 好似 and 咁樣 to look like that. 好似咁樣 and if you continue learning Cantonese, well, you're going to speak just like me. 好似我咁樣，好似我咁樣。